Hello everyone. This video will cover the VOC Speciation Sheet of the Emission Reduction Credit, or ERC Generation General Workbook. This sheet allows companies to state what type of VOC speciation they are using to quantify their emissions for each facility. This worksheet does not need to be completed if VOC ERCs are not being requested as indicated on the Facility Information Worksheet. As a quick demonstration, we can return to the Facility Information Sheet and change all pollutants to NOx only. When we return to the VOC Speciation Sheet, you can see that it is completely grayed out, indicating that this sheet would not be necessary for a project not generating VOCs. Let's undo those changes so that we can proceed with our project. Beginning on row 19, any FIN and EPN combination in which VOC ERCs are being requested will auto-populate in column A. This data comes from the table on the Emissions Supporting Documents sheet. The equipment type will also auto-populate in column B. Next, select the appropriate VOC speciation source from the drop-down menu in column C. This list will change based on the equipment type. As you can see, the available VOC speciation source choices are different for the last three facilities. If Other is selected, provide a description of the VOC speciation source in column D, and provide a justification for the VOC speciation source in column E. Possible reasons for the justification is that the site is not operating anymore, or the sample is not taken in the same part of the process. Column F will auto-populate the required documentation to support the VOC speciation list. Lastly, in column G, select an option from the drop-down menu to indicate if the documentation listed in the previous column is attached. If No is selected, the cell will turn red. Again, ideally, Yes is selected. You'll need to complete these steps for all applicable FIN and EPN combinations.